Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today with this absolutely beautifully presented 2-bedroom semi-detached property located in the heart of Monton Village. I'm over on Belmont Street. You've got the lovely outside garden which does benefit from the sun, beautifully presented like I say throughout. The property does benefit from a new kitchen, and it's also had new windows and doors fitted in around 2020. So we come straight in through the entrance hallway into this beautifully done lounge and dining space with storage throughout the property. And then on through to this lovely shaker style kitchen, dated in around 2021. So as you can see, you've got a range of wall and base units, that beautiful ceramic sink, electric hob and oven. Boiler's just tucked away in a cupboard next to me. Plenty of storage also. A huge selling point for this property is this beautiful garden. So literally just to my right is a passage which takes us straight onto Monton Road, where you will find an array of bars, shops, restaurants, all within easy reach. This lovely garden, as I mentioned, does benefit from the sun. That lawn with the planted borders, and then just behind me is this beautiful private chilling area. Gated access back to the front, and as you saw, the driveway does accommodate parking for a large and small car. And as we head up to the first floor of the property, you've got two generously sized double bedrooms along with a lovely modern 3-piece bathroom suite. Further storage once again. The second double comes complete with fitted wardrobes, and then the loft is also partially boarded. So overlooking the front of the property is the second of the two doubles, currently used as a home office. And as you can see there, the fitted wardrobes, but there's plenty of space here to navigate around a double or king size bed. Now the bathroom dividing the two bedrooms. Shower sat perfectly above the tub, the vanity unit, and then the WC. Just a timeless 3-piece white suite. Now on into the master. So we're overlooking the rear garden here, and just directly across the road is access to Swinton Greenway. Beautiful scenic walks taking you over to Swinton. You've got the Worsley Loop line, Duke's Drive, all within walking distance from the property. Its further storage just tucked away behind the door there. This is just a beautifully presented 2-bedroom semi-detached property located in the heart of Monton. It would be the perfect home for somebody looking to get onto the property ladder, potentially even now considering a downsize but wanting to stay in that vibrant village. So if you're interested in booking a viewing, then please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.